It seems pretty decent, honestly. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's just time to go further today. Mhm. I'm just gonna modify like some settings from OBS. Like that. Yeah, it's gonna be better already. Just like that. Um. Okay. So exercise one. Like the theory today. No. I just need to rethink of it like yesterday. From H1, it's Peter, strong to make. Definitely add attributes. Yeah, I think we have like the most basics one. Hmm. Yeah, I think for now, just gonna stick with these, like the list, because at least paragraphs and headers are just the most important one. So with these, we had the other list, unordered. Like this one. Wait. Anyway, I guess I can just focus on it later. Yeah, by the way, I can also remove this. Like I'm gonna put the true Discord link. I need to add this one. Yeah, like that. We'll get the link now. And I can just put it. And like this link, you can just, there we go. And it will join the Discord server. Anyway. I think now it's like just time to add the exercises. And for this exercise, stage 3 exercises. Like, let's just put practical exercises so they really understand what they're talking about. Like the theory they just talk about. Let's take a look at practical examples. No, not like a list. Like, oh yeah, that's true. I don't like putting directly a single code. Like, yeah. So I think the first exercise should be just a basic one. Like, create a simple HTML page with a style and everything, like the most basic things. So get just this one, showing literally how it works. So basically, it should just look like, wait, let me put an index.html. It would just look like this. Then it's gonna be like h1, like just test, and a paragraph like test. So the site should be like that. And maybe just a list. So just like that, list, test, one. And then test it. Like the exercise would just be something like that. With dog type, with a meta char set, with a head. And after that, like on the next exercise, create and style, heading and paragraph. We can then just add tips. Just, no, not just emit. take a look at MD documentation. Like MD doc look like this. So MD documentation, basic HTML page, like just some things like that. Just basic things like that, and you mostly understand what it means. Just structuring content. Yeah, I think just like that. You gotta put it. Not more about the channel. Tips. Take a look at MDN doc. Now it's the MDN documentation. Oh yeah, that's... yeah. I can forget one thing. It's like target, not this one. But yeah, to target equal blank. So it opens in another text, another page. And yeah, and you get much more details about everything, how it works. And you get really the most important parts. So I don't like that, just gonna be basic page, adding a paragraph. No, as the next exercise we can just go and put not this. But like the next exercise could be about just the like the list and the order list. So that would be something list order list. Nah, that would most likely just be create a simple HTML page, but this time that's just gonna be with order list. Order list. The MDN doc. So yeah, just like that. Like you can see on the MDN documentation. Why is it not working, bro? Why is it not working? That's really annoying. It doesn't want to switch most of the time. But like, I don't want to just put mostly useless shit. But in that case, let me just modify one thing. I'm gonna just make much better. Just gonna put it like that. So you should see everything now. Because it was really annoying to just switch between different parts. So just by using this, we can separate in multiple pages. Anyway, take a look at the MDN documentation about lists. Order list. Wait, who can I send like 2 links about or no, because of like an ordered list, because the only element is for an ordered one. My bad. Okay, no. getting this, and yeah, the another now. So we get both most important one. And didn't I disable this? Well, so we got everything. I know, like, I'm just gonna make the last exercise, which would just be, let's make a full page now. By using what you've learned. I keep, bro, stop giving me this air. It's annoying. By using what you learn. Let's build a full detailed. Let's build a full detailed page. So let's make a full page now. I think instead of using 2p as its a list, I'm just gonna put it in a p. Oh wait, forgot I was muted, my bad. Create HTML tag. Can not by using HTML, but by using what you by using what like you've learned. Create full HTML page. With the title, heading, paragraphs, and list. So yeah, like this is gonna be for the full page. Gonna put everything mostly with title, heading, paragraph, and list. Just gonna put everything at the same thing. Yeah, like I don't think they need tips now. What would send? Just need tips. Like that's literally the most basic thing where they exist. We can now just add the last section of the main, which is gonna be switch. Go to next. Let's say this. So no, let's say. Bro, I hate this so much. I hate this badly. So yeah, that was it. Well, you probably understood. Oh, HTML tags. What? HTML basic tags. What? List. Order and order. What like the next thing? Because we have order. So it is structured. Because it's like how HTML basic tags work, and I'm just gonna repeat the same thing. Learn more about semantic. And next, listen. That's surely not how it's pronounced. Wait, what? What the? Why is it like so bad? Yeah, just like that. Okay, and so no, we can just go on a link. We can just copy paste like this one. Copy everything. Then just change it not to 12 but to 2. Courses. Yeah, I think we're just gonna stick on with that. No, maybe. Why would we need just? It's, that's annoying as hell. Oh, a lot of sound going on here. Whoa. It's crying so much. Yeah, anyway. We got the page, we got the basic one. So now, let's delete all this. Because we don't really need this. Just gonna stick on the basic tag. Now about accessibility. Accessibility is really important too. When learning web, you need two things. You need to learn the basic tags, but also the HTML accessibility for every people, like blind people, mostly blind people. But you also need to learn HTML for semantic to make the website more readable. Like you can just use div, yeah, forever, but your website will not be accessible at the same time. Like when the blind people will just go and wonder what's going on with the website, and just hear div, and be like, well, what the fuck? Anyway, that might have been too long. Welcome. So, what's gonna be this exercise? H2. Learn semantic HTML from HTML. Growing up, you get much more tags, much more available tags. Wait, by the way, I forgot. Yeah, it is coding time. So you'll get much more available tags. Very semantic. As an example, like, wait, like, let's just say we get something on a website. Let's say we get, I don't know, basic login something. I'm really wondering like what I should put. Let's say we just have a hello. Yeah, I'm pretty good designer. We have hello here. Well, hello. And this hello, let's say it's gonna be centered using a div, using something, and then we will have some details just below, like I'm like a portfolio. You can use div to put everything, but it will look ugly and most people just won't read it. And on HTML5 you have a lot of tags, like article, to make this job. Like it will say, okay, this is an additional detail. It is something that will provide value. to the title, to header 1, to h2, h3, and so on. As an example, on a portfolio website, we have a title, h1, with description below, name. It works, but semantic much easier and better. Instead of using a div, you can directly use an h1, so as a title, put h1 as a title, and then article below, as it is additional information from the title. But I mean, like, that's just an example that you have a lot of statement like HTML, MDN. Like, if you just take a look at all the available tags, honestly, you're just fucked up. So much. Bro, just, do you even understand half of these? Answer is no. Article blank about HTML tags. Yeah, of course. Is it better like that? Maybe like that. Oh, thank you. Thank you, man. Mate. I don't know. Anyway. So yeah, we get non-semantic. Yeah, for now that's just that. I didn't add any CSS for now. I'm planning on using CSS of course later. But for now, I'm just trying to make the true HTML, make the exercises, and make everything like that. But once the HTML will be finished, we'll go on for some styling. Even if I'm clearly really bad at styling. It's not my job. So yeah, we got this. Learn semantic HTML. Wait. I think we can add a lot more of, like, we can just put a lot more, but I don't know how to pronounce it. Like, yeah, we get learn semantic HTML, but like, it's so large. There's so much to say, honestly. Wait. Now I got this thing. I got one. I get it. Get it. Trust. So first of all, I'm just gonna put it in a new h3 semantic tags. Keeps growing up. Right now, just gotta copy paste this. Wait, where is the issue? Section. Okay, just like that. Get now semantic HTML, learn more. No, maybe not like that. but like sections. Like that, I think. But why cannot find image too? But just shut the fuck up. Okay, so next section has to be something like not semantic tags, but like why is semantic? Then this one we can say like semantic tags, so we can just see more. So I just since HTML5 there is a lot of like there is a lot of new tags, of new semantic tags with details. It's a code. Now make the website more accessible. Oh. Wait. Disabled people. Mostly blind. So one you'll use the most. Header, nav, main, article, section, style, and footer. Yeah, that's like legit. That's the one you'll use the most. There's not that much you'll use again. Yeah, that's like that. That shit just doesn't like it. What is the issue, bro? Yeah, P. Yeah, so like that, I think. Yeah, we got nails. You're kind of motivate me to do code, bro. Well, I guess thanks. That's the point of why I'm coding in the it's like to make other people want to code or just to other people learn code, you know? Because I feel like a lot of people just want to code but they don't know where to start. Like when you take on YouTube, when you take things like that, you just flooded with thousands of videos, things like that. Like as an example, like learn how to code, bro. Like you had all these, like that's just so much. When I started like learning code, I was flooded with all these. That was horrible. Yeah, so next thing. So we have the semantic tags, we have these. Yeah, I mean, I don't think we need much more, honestly. I think we have most of the basic one. So we can just go directly to the section H3 exercises. Exercise. We will need to fix this website by dive into CSS. Yeah. I know I will need to. I think I'll start using Figma just to make the design, you know? because I'm really bad with the. Well, I'm just finishing the HTML part, so the thing I'll make today is finish the semantic, which is pretty fast, and then the accessibility, which is really fast too, because it's just basic stick, like IR label, like it's just this type of things, you know, to make the website accessible. And then I'll go into CSS, because it will mostly be copy-paste. But I'll need to learn Tailwind CSS. That's gonna be annoying as hell. You'll need to fix this website by using semantic tags. HTML code works, but isn't semantic. Yeah, we can say it like that. Like almost 2 years ago, I used to code in TypeScript, but I had like 2 courses on it. That was 8 hours. So yeah, I'm learning TypeScript. I'd say I'm learning TypeScript and updating my skills in HTML, CSS, and yeah, doing everything for once. I think that's the point. So yeah, but isn't semantic. So, well, what's the thing we can just put? It's good next. Wait, I just found out something. Yeah, of course, if you just don't put it, that's good one. Yeah, no, it should be better. But as you said, you will need to fix. Doc type HTML. Wait. Like, isn't there some sort of tag put code in HTML? There has to be something. I don't like this shit. It's not what I mean. Just got examples in HTML. Has to be something like that. B code. Yeah, so maybe just B code. No, we can just wait. No. What are you? What? You know, starting the code block. What are you cutting about? So I'm just cutting the main HTML, which is for now just learning HTML. But instead it will be to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'm making currently the HTML exercises, so trying to give example, like showing the code, saying this is bad, this is not, this is good, everything like that, you know. Give them some tips, some tools, everything. So there's a lot of this to see. But yeah, once the code will be finished, well, when at least HTML and CSS will be finished, I'll put up a full project report, which I made on Google Doc, showing everything explicitly, how I made this, why did I pick this, the reasons, and also on my Discord server, there will be this, like these two, where we can just see the code itself. Like see the code, see the GitHub repos, project list, and the reports based on each project. But well, I mean, for now the Discord isn't really open. Anyway, the thing is that I can put this. Is it like cheating? That's ALT. Select HTML. A website. I hate this. Like wait, because if I just something like that, yeah, it just doesn't work. That's annoying. Annoying as hell. I don't understand a single shit. Wait. Bro. Shouldn't it be just pre? It doesn't fucking work. Well, because the thing is that I like wait, you just put that I equal 5 if I blah blah. Like let's say I just do that. Dude, what the are you a beginner? I think we can say I'm a beginner because I'm clearly far from being a good developer. But I mean, that's it really depends on gosh, let me without format. It doesn't especially when it's a programming language I don't care in. I mean, why Why is it doing everything to make it annoying? It's not what I'm. It's not what I want. How do I insert? No. HTML code into HTML. Bottom code HTML. Gosh, everyone's just crying at home. Script? No, it's not what I want. You're just gonna drive me crazy. I hope you can't hear it, but people are just crying here. How can I get templates for my first project? I mean, it depends. Like, it really depends on what do you mean by first project. That's really hard to say. I think it's just template of everything. Whoa. Yeah, that's because like I want to insert HTML. Oh wait, by the way, the understand. Yeah, like that's gonna be better. God, it's crying at home. Like, you can see me, but my brain actually just gonna blow up. I have 500 zeros around me. Anyway. Yeah, I understand. Can you type? Yeah, I'm sorry, that's because it's not a lot of sound at home. Like, that's really annoying. Insert HTML directly inside HTML. No. No, it's not really my baby. It's clearly not mine. Well, I mean, if I had a baby at my age, honestly, I would cry. So I can just. Oh yeah, and also I've been seeing this. Beginner, I need template. For this, for the template, I think you can just get. For this, you can just find some templates in Google. Like, if you're making a portfolio, you can just say portfolio example HTML. Like, you have a lot of websites just giving HTML, giving things like that. But yeah. And if you need some documentation, just go HTML documentation MDN. Like, just get this one and you'll get most of the thing you want. Okay, so closing content. I'm sure it's just some good code using iframe. Uh, wait. JavaScript? No, I'm not searching for JavaScript. Oh wait. Maybe if I understand like the thing correctly, like source can be frame borders. What is assignable type? Uh-huh. Not this one, because it's a source here. Not that. Well, I mean. No. Wait, I'm gonna say just 300. 300. And for the source, like. We just keep an basic index HTML. If I just it is not here. Just save it, open it. HTML code. Exercise 2. So no. Let's say source. Let's say just HTML code PNG. Page cannot be found. Okay.
Je les entends pas. En général, c'est qu'ils sont en train de faire des bêtises.
Page HTML. Yeah, but this would just send it to another page. It would not like it's like wait. Yeah, but that would it's not really that oh wait. Oh, that's so it was just like that. Disable. Can I just disable? I can disable it to complete. Yeah, you can use a frame when you want to display it. Yeah. So sandbox. Stock. Was it just like that? Purifying. Oh. Oh gosh, that's gonna be. Wait, because. Oh. Dude. So annoying.
Attends, faut que je t'enlève parce qu'Angèle y a été tout à l'heure. Viens, vas-y.
Yeah, so. Would it be. No. It's not like that. Yeah, because it just so chaotic. Or maybe I can just use image in that case. Like image. HTML.
Voilà, c'est toi qui vas rentrer le panier, Angèle?
What is it? Why can't I just add image? Why can't I just add image?
Désolée, je m'en chien. Non, il n'y a pas de souci. Voilà, c'est pas la première. Eric aussi. D'accord.
Showing necessary exercise.
Non, si tu veux là-bas et t'enlèves tes chaussures.
Attends.
Oui, j'ai vu la photo, oui, oui. Et à manger, le mercredi. Oui, tu vas. Pour les adultes, tu vois, qui font ça. Mais franchement, il n'y a pas eu plein.
Not have oops. Don't understand any type of this. What is this? That's Fedora. That's basic Fedora. That's kind of funny. Oh, by the way. Yeah, sorry. This is a lot of sound going on.
Oui, je m'occupe. Moi, j'ai la solution n'importe quoi. Et d'ailleurs, oui, toutes les selles, les noter, oui, c'est bien, c'est bien, sur rien, c'est qu'il n'y en a pas. Ok, je les note pas, mais
I really don't understand the image. XGS. Oh. Like in that case, that would just be HTML code.png, but it doesn't work. Oh wait. Oh, of course, it's gonna work just a bit better if I add a good one. Missing required property? What do you mean it's missing a required one? Seems like mint. It is not. It's really Fedora. It's a good distribution. Okay, so I didn't know it doesn't show it. Can you open its property to image? Yeah, but no, I don't see the image. Wait, is there only type of error going on to count? What's there to yeah, take a look. Yeah, of course. That's because I don't have a good one. So we see.
Où j'ai noté les heures.
It doesn't go up with plasma, I guess. I honestly don't know about this one. I never used Linux Mint. I use Fedora and Manjaro for my portable PC. Maybe information top of that. Yeah, it's what I do. Like I imported it. But like for some reason it doesn't get image. Okay, next image. I see the channel extreme. I don't know, maybe I will just an app. It's with Sky isn't great sometimes, but yeah, honestly I never used mains, so I don't really know. There is no site like that. I might switch to something like GNOME, but it will consume more, so I don't know. I need to do some tests. There is nothing like that. What do you mean? Like there is no site like that? Maybe if I just add up. This is HTML. This is Fedora Academy. Yep, exactly. Yeah, next. Okay. That is good. It's still on the current, but oh yeah, no, that's because I just modified the logo. Yeah. Okay, that's because I use Breeze. But yeah, if I just go to Fedora, just get this one. Okay. Wait. Why don't we see Fedora? That's strange. Do we see it here? Yeah, we do. For some reason, like on just Fedora, it doesn't show it. Oh. But on this one, works. Gosh, I don't understand anything. Anyway, I think the music stopped. Yeah, that's really Fedora. And I still get the one. I still don't understand. Yeah, Fedora is really good. I used to use. No, don't say you get pixels. Well, I mean, like this. Oh, it's good. Wait, no, I don't need to use it. Right. I mean, I can't even use Lofi. I used to love Arch, but then I remember I had a life. But I couldn't. I really want to use Wayland too, but I really don't have enough time to use Wayland. Yeah, maybe I can just. Is it French, bro? What do you mean, is it French? Phoenix and this already crash, multi-levels with POs. You know me, you know these, you know these. Oh. Interesting to install it. That's fair. Ah.
C'est Molly qui m'a regardé dessus. Le lait de Molly. C'est Molly. Le biberon?
We shouldn't put it mage yeah, I don't use it. iPhone. No, I'm just using image on Next.js. But it doesn't detect the HTML code, not PNG, so I don't really know. Of course, it's HTML, extra HTML code. Maybe I'm just gonna make maybe just accept SVG. Really? HTML code PNG. I still don't get it. And I still don't have it. Really, it's. I don't know. Like I have it. I don't think like I have the SVG. Like normally, when I have a link like that, we can click it on the page, but I don't know, it just doesn't work on this one. Still X2.
Gabriel, ça?
What are you asking for? Wait, absolute external audio. Oh wait. If it is what I'm thinking it is, then would mean that we just call that SVG. Ah, that's why. Okay, and now it should just be like HTML code, PNG. Okay, and now it was. I use Windows. Windows good. Windows good, but yeah, not a huge fan of it.
Il est grand, il a marché. Oh là là, quel grand. Chercher ton petit. Tu veux ton grand? Il semble.
Just bit. I think that's just a bit too much. Just a bit.
Un mauvais guerrier. Un caca.
Could I just put like auto? No, I can't. Remember undefined. Or maybe I can just.
Ah, tu veux encore ton bras le jour? Je sais pas comment ça fait là.
Yeah, I tried both, but they just feel too much. Maybe just like 50%. Hmm. I tried both, yeah, but just feels. It just feels strange, honestly. Wait, if I test like 50%? Nah, it doesn't. Have you vibe coded that side? No. No, I don't vibe code. I do use AI when I was learning, when I'm learning concepts or something like that, but I really don't use AI when it's time to just learn something, when it's time to code something. Like when we had to learn Docker, I ended up just going and said, okay, I'm gonna use AI to learn. Yeah, I know, that's why I'm not vibe coding. It's just that vibe coding for people is just really large. Saying if you use AI, like as you're a developer, if you use AI, then you vibe code. But that's not the truth. Like I feel like today we need to use AI, but we should not be replaced by it. Like yeah, learning Docker, learning cybersecurity, learning things like that, it's very easy. But we should not ask. Everything Twitter is very important. Yeah. Yeah, I really like that because I feel like it's really fast, but also, you know, it feels pretty normal, I'd say. Like everything is good, you have good extensions, the commands are good, you have direct LSP. A lot of people are saying just use VS Code, but damn. No. This one? Good. Yeah, anyway. Wait. Infinity divided by 5. 384 plus 384. No. 216? Is it that? Okay, wait, is it way? Is that right? Tokyo 13. Oh, that's true. Oh, that's true. I forgot the Tokyo Night team just existed. I totally forgot. Oh, damn. Got some errors here. Oh. If I say just 184 times 2, okay, so 786. Okay, 432. Well, I mean, I think we're just gonna update the size for like 900, 1000. Okay, I think like that, you know, it looks decent. It's not crazy, but we make with what we have. Oh. Maybe we should just divide this. I just put 400 here. That seems decent. Uh-huh. And music is always talking. Why do I have no song? Oh yeah, that's because I forgot I added this. Yeah, and I should just probably put this here instead. Wait, no. Yeah, I should just start making a website. Div class equal error. Div div. Only thing missing in this thing is Windows cursor. That's fair, that's fair. I'm so used now. Please. Yes. Yeah, we got this. We have the class headers, class nav. Then div section. Now, yeah, class code section. Welcome to my portfolio. Class projects. What's going on? What are you doing? Well, I'm fine. And you? And then I am just working on a website which is gonna be launched. And on this website, it's gonna be to help students and junior people learn the basics of programming. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, C, Rust, anything like that. And that's gonna be to help as much people as I can. I don't have many things to say now. I mean, we just have the basic one, the basics. C. Yeah, C. C is pretty good. I love C. I don't know why people hate C. C is so good. What stuff I can use? Okay, so for the front, I'm just gonna use what I'm using next because we have a lot of folders, we have a lot of files of web of multiple pages. So Next.js is better. First of all, I went with React, but I was like, it's not optimized. And then Next.js just popped up, and honestly, it's good. It's pretty good. And for backend, I don't know. Maybe I'll go PHP with Symfony or Laravel, or maybe Java with Spring Boot or something like that. It was a typo. Which programming language are you most comfortable with? Honestly, the thing I'm the best with, I'd say, of course, it's C, because I've been coding in C for 3 years now. But web development feels like it's easier to find a job in web development than in system development. But that's why I'm going in web dev. But not worry, I'm doing web dev and system dev. I'm trying to be as polyvalent as possible. Why not C++ instead of C? I started with C. That's as simple as that. And when I tested C++, I was like, I don't understand anything. I can't allocate memory like in C. So that's just the reason. Because I'm used to C, you know. But yeah. I think one day I'll test C++. Maybe in String, who knows. The music is so strange. Oh, bro, that feels so strange. I have to remove this. That's really bitter. The first one was scary. For the second side, you will need to fix the scripts. You will need to add a payment tags. HTML. What do you think of Python? You okay? And I'm currently doing PSA. Python. Okay, so about Python. I feel like Python is not a good language to start coding. I think Python is good else when you're really starting. But it's not a typed language. It's not something which feels good, you know. When you code with, it's just Python. It's too easy. You don't have to debug an error for 5 hours. Or just making a project 25 hours a day. But I don't think Python is a good programming language, I think. And for TSA, I'd say maybe... I don't think it's good in Python either. I feel like Python and JavaScript are both in the same spot, you know. It's like non-typed languages, super easy to learn, which means even if it's easy to learn, it will mean that you don't know when you get an error how to fix it. But that's only my opinion. I feel like Python is just too easy to be called a programming language. It feels terrible to say that. It's terrifying. So that's mostly it's funny, I see. Oh no, that's mostly because system language are much more used in system language than just Python. I'm doing Python because I want to get into ML. Yeah, no, that's fine. If you go for this, just go for Python. Python is a simple coding to use your framework. Yeah. Yeah. And it just makes me mad. But I mean, It's the same. It's not the same with some other language. Like if you have to learn Rust and have to learn Python, I think one of these two languages is a bit harder than the other one. But yeah, in any other language except HTML and CSS, you have to think of just the logic and mechanical skill, other than just coding. You have to learn all these. Anyway, so we get this. Okay, so add a header which will contain h1 main title and which will lead it to multiple links. So like we'll have the nav, multiple links. No, that's fair. Well, I mean, in C you still have to allocate memory manually, but I mean, C is like the syntax of most of the languages. When you think of programming, Python, you have for, Python you have loops, you have everything. JavaScript, even that's the same. TypeScript, Rust, C++, C#, all these, you know, that's just based on C. You all have the same stuff. For me, learning the C is like, it's like the main thing you want to do. Because learning C will make you better on every other language. You'll be much faster to learn than other people. Multiple links. Come. Alguém vai ficar iniciando essa. Não espera. I mean, yeah. C and Java are pretty hard, honestly. When you start from nothing, they're really hard to understand. So, except if you really want to go into coding, and I mean coding in general and not a specific part of a language. So I don't think going for C or Java, well, mostly C is the best thing to do. Main check. Finish by adding. Then finish by adding the no basic syntax. C'était plus Java, Python, but I'm very no, that's true. We all start somewhere. We really start from somewhere. About the whole basic operation, making the same step, and that's all. Yeah, but you know, like, learning the basics of programming language is all you need. When you think of it, wait, let me take a paint. Like, let's say you learn C. See, the thing you want to do when you code is gonna be to learn the logic. What I mean by logic is like, no matter how good you are in one language, the most important thing of all the languages is gonna be It's gonna be just the basic of a language. In C, you don't need to learn everything about C. Malloc, malloc, real, cal, everything. You just need to know the basics. You'll learn a lot very fast. It's the same for Python. You'll learn very fast. Rust is the same. TS is the same. And all of these. So yeah. It's just like that. I switch language. Love. Which does it? Wait, I switch languages a lot. Like first C, C++, and Python. Now I'm learning Java. Which was Blender from my end. What do you mean, like? What do you mean by like a Blender? Like, you really don't like Java? You don't want to code in Java?
Non, en fait, pour l'instant, c'est pas
Why don't you want C? Is because it's like checkpoint programming. No, that's fair. That's fair, honestly. I just don't like OOP. But yeah, I get that people don't like C. The Blender was switching like that. I should have stick to one language. That's fair. That's fair, honestly. You should stick for one language for a long time and then just keep to other one. But now, you know, we have some advantages now. Like, we can learn much faster with honestly. Like, I have the logic, I know operations, and legit can, like, I can really understand the language in a few weeks, and that other time on other languages it take me like months and months. Just wondering what to do at all. But the good thing is, like, you just need to know what you want in the end. You just need that. You better not focus on doing 50 things, but it doesn't mean that you need to stick to one. For me, the ideal thing would be to learn two languages at the same time. For example, it could be C++ for overall programming language. Just CSS3, HTML5, VS multiple choice implied on higher and stuff. And the way you can ask for any help if you need. I mean, I know that's TypeScript. I know the basics of programming and everything. But yeah, sure. If I have a question, I'm not asking in chat, else I'm reading documentation. Yeah. I will keep an eye anyway on the chat, as usual. Okay. I think we can just remove this good exercise. Okay. Yeah, time to compare. That's really fun. Okay, so wait. Need one last thing. Oh. Because next exercise is That's really true. Most of the people coding in Java, the aliens are just sadomasochists. Else, they really love coding. Okay.
Je peux l'accrocher là aussi, regarde. Là aussi, je peux l'accrocher, regarde. Je suis où là? Je vais l'accrocher à plein d'endroits différents.
Ça marche pas là.
Allez, on va un petit peu parce que il y a quelque chose à faire. Ah, on va vite porter les mains. Tu peux lire un petit livre, hein, on peut pas donner.
So we all that Java is much faster on IntelliJ. Wait, wait.
Les valises à histoire.
Oh.
Pas sur devant là.
Hmm. Oh yeah, so Sony HTML
C'est quoi, je vais chercher.
image textual.
Ah d'accord, je vais peut-être se racheter le
Okay. No. Okay, we got this, and on this page, we can just remove this. Okay. That we first with red beta, which has slow, so it's something. Wait, is Java really a low language? Low level language? No, Java is a higher level. Wait. I mean, it's Wikipedia. It's always seeing the truth. About accessibility. Okay. Okay, so we don't want semantic tags. We want basic. We want basic accessibility. when we think about XP, think about disabled people. Mostly bad. There are many other ways. No. The way you can make more accessible is by using so no it's basically no elements.
Tu veux prendre un petit coussin pour t'asseoir?
Je pense.
Non, tu veux pas ça?
Okay, so we have
Voici Jean-François.
I mean, for now, I'm just gonna stick on with these, which are the most important one. Comics first lesson, so
Tous les amis.
update. Say, make it more accessible for disabled people. Add appropriate attributes. So we need to appropriate the good attributes for the necessary HTML tags.
Ça va. Charlotte.
Corrections.
Voici la copine de Jean-François le petit pois.
Ah,
Elle est pareille que Jean-François, Charlotte.
mais HTML5.
Elle est verte. On branche.
No,
Elle est pas verte, Charlotte.
move
Est-ce qu'elle est
on
ronde?
to the next course, which is CSS3.
Ah oui, elles sont pas un petit
Okay, finally, get this.
Elle est beaucoup trop grande pour être un petit pois.
Slower.
Trop grande.
Well, I think it is time to go.
Pourquoi il faut faire?
Oh, it's time now. I don't want
Elle
to.
ne peut pas rouler.
I don't want to do styling. I'm really bad with it. So, what do we need on style?
Elle ne peut pas rebondir comme un petit pois.
What do we need? We need. Yeah, on the home page. Yeah, that's gonna be Tailwind CSS.
Cache-cache. Caché.
Yeah, I can also remove this.
Caché. T'as pu. T'as pu. Oh, j'ai encore perdu un cache-cache.
Isn't Python C++? I'm not sure.
Ouais, ouais, tiens. Mais Charlotte peut se transformer.
Oh, by the way, I should just rename this page. I forgot.
Ouh, elle est chouette. Oh, merci. C'est pas bien tenu là. Et transformer aussi en fond. C'est super pratique. Attendez seconde. On va voir tester.
Sync title, so main page.
Ah non, c'est pas. Continue, c'est vérifié, c'est bon. C'est vérifié.
Okay, so that's homepage.
Elle peut se transformer en super pratique. Je sais pas
See if we have the main page now. Where's the most important text? Hmm.
Perdu dans mes codes.
J'ai vu que j'ai une personne et Charlotte ne ressemble pas du tout à Jean-François. Mais alors pas du tout, hein. Mais...
So yeah,
Et voilà.
what should it be? It should be something like
De petits mots.
uh,
Dire que même si on est tous, on n'est pas pareil, et en fait, c'est super connu.
good.
On n'a pas besoin d'être
So
pareil.
it's great.
Petit poil et carottes.
I'm glad to hear that. Glad to hear people on my streams are learning.
C'est des balles qui représentent les petits pois et puis une carotte. C'est Jean-François. Elle n'a pas voulu s'en faire. Jean-François, c'est le petit pois. Ça, c'est Charlotte la carotte. Elle a perdu un peu de plein de fois, Charlotte la carotte. Il va falloir que je la repeigne. Voilà, des licenciements, ça y est, vous me licenciez.
Avec grande tristesse. J'ai mis une petite larme dessus du coup.
So
Merci.
layout, TSC.
C'est dur quand même.
We have import case from the
C'est ce là.
case we have first name,
Non, il a pied. Tu sais, on passe par les jeux d'eau là, et après ça peut se faire.
right?
Je me suis fait passer un peu.
On a fait aujourd'hui, Angèle? On a été où? On a été où aujourd'hui?
Okay, so like that.
Ah oui.
But then if I go on another page, it's putting it. It's automatically puts it on another page. Damn, bro. It's really useful.
Comme ça. Vous allez voir le même. T'as dormi combien de temps toi?
Ah, il monte à faire.
Eh ben, je.
Avec la canicule, il y a différents trucs, hein, les
Ouais.
agents sont gentils, les toits avec la canicule.
C'est pour ça que je peux les acheter.
Oui, mais c'est. Elle le fait. Il est un peu
Yeah,
sur-
since they would be Sonic your own project.
Après la canicule, ça va être la France, ça va être la...
Okay, so anyway, we get the main page, we get the layout.
Avec de la crème et du
So Japanese government should show
T'as bien
flag and system.
Ouais, j'ai ouvert la
And stable first.
Sinon,
That's
c'est-
fair.
T'as les mangé ou pas? Bon appétit.
Il y a la manche d'agneau, les courgettes. Et demain, mange quoi le prochain? Elle a fait les voilà.
Okay. Yeah. So wait, if I use Roboto,
Voilà. Alors, je fais les pommes de terre pour sauter les pommes.
in this case,
Tu les vois le Non, j'ai pas encore mangé. On range, j'ai dit. David, Angèle.
okay. And I've been taking a look at the chat.
Et c'est pas lui,
I'm sorry.
David,
Mm, Well, as long as it's working, I can go back to Roboto. I got the Roboto now, so I can remove this. Get Roboto. No. I guess I can just import. No. Of globals, that's CSS. Okay, model not found. Globals, that's CSS. I don't know. I don't know. Or shouldn't just be here, like import from.
Quand j'étais enseignante, on demandait, il y avait autant de... C'est l'année où on a basculé 55. Et avant, il y avait...
Oh. I don't know. I don't know.
Oui, oui, avec des... Oui, il y a plus de décès que de naissances.
Ah, yeah, that's right. It just reads.
Oui.
Oh, but that's CSS. Oh, hey, Babs. Hey. Wait. Wait. That's wrong message. Gosh, that's so much sound. Yeah.
Ça. Ah, mais je le oui.
Oh, just my character. Okay. Okay. I don't click.
Le lien va se faire entre le chien à l'autre.
Can trees or what?
Allez, bonne soirée.
I get rid of it. I don't want to invest in the land because I got clipped. What? Talking about. I still don't. Human. Yeah, of course I do. Why would I not? Why would I not recognize you? Trying to memorize as many people coming from my stream as possible. Wait, please. But I really don't understand why it's not working. I'm to make attendance to Thanks about that. From my heart, thank you. Didn't explain. I just keep under. But I didn't get it because like on the layout here, it's working. And I had the same layout. So I don't know why. Okay, I know it works. Hey, that's why I hate coding in web. Because it doesn't make any sense. Oh gosh. Okay, anyway. At least no CSS is currently locked on. Oh, what do we have? Oh, Tailwind Blast, Tailwind College. Gonna update this. Reading book. That's good. Like that. That's why if it's your first time using Telomeres. Why do I feel like I'm just gonna kill myself? It's terrifying. I don't understand anything. Like legit, I don't understand. You'll see of Tailwind. Not basic CSS. But at least, no, I know how to center. How to center Olive, of course. Anyway, no, that's not center. What was it? Yeah, it was. That's center. Center assignment. No, just horizontally. Center. Get some margin. Block. No, not block. That was width. Center. CSS. Wait, isn't there just something? Oh gosh, that means I'm gonna have to read documentation. No. Oh no. Wait, okay, so if I read correctly, technically, if I'm good, read H56, read calls 3, content center, gap 4. Yeah, perfect. Last name. Well, I guess it's class name. And it doesn't work. That's fair. Like the idea would just be to center, but honestly, the best thing would just be like center. But then it would also mean that we need to add it around globals. Oh wait. In globals to be center. Textile line. Yeah, that would mean that it would just be the center. So we center this correctly. Then thing would be like these two. Wait, no, first of all. No, that was not display. Maybe in display. I forgot. So something like, yeah, display. No. was this. Yeah. Wait, no. No, no, we just don't see it. Yeah. Um. Uh. Yeah, that's. It was list style. Type. No, no. Yeah. And no, we don't have this. And I think I'm not gonna use Tailwind. Because it's gonna be terrifying. So what language am I learning? Currently I'm learning TypeScript, I guess. I mean it's tier 6, so yes, it's TypeScript that we can say web overall. It's mostly just like that. Just web. Web. There's not really a true language I'm using. It was a color too. Want to change? There has to be something like image, style, color, no. Style. Wait. Like the thing would be to remove the underline. So remove underline. Family. Stack Overflow best website. Who knows? It's just the best website. Things are underlined, not leads. Oh yeah, that would just be an link. Takes the question none. Oh yeah, but as it's yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah. That's just fair. Don't want to complain about it. Well, I mean, first of all, just gonna add the center, not on this, but on this. Gonna add center, logo here too. Then I think it should be something like last name Server, of course. I don't really know, like, the thing would be to put these two at the end, which means that would most likely be okay, so can remove these. So for this one, I think we can just make like the basic class center, which would just be textile. Oh yeah, that would be most likely default styles like that. Okay, we have this one now. That's the most basic possible CSS. We have nothing special in there. Nothing special. So now, I'm not gonna put center, like, not gonna put a center for everything because I don't want everything to be centered. So let's make step by step. Like, wait, let's define a color, like a paint. No, wait. Wait. I'm not gonna show you that. Because that's kinda private. But don't worry, I'm still here. Yeah. Damn, I had it gotten 2 years ago. That's crazy. Wait, did it change something? Like we can make something? Gosh, no. Don't tell me they use AI too. Oh yeah, no, they do. Yeah, they really did. this? Terrifying. That's terrifying. Anyway. Let's keep it simple. Like, okay, so. We have the page. Like, we have the mass landing page possible. We should now add some sort of just text up, so that would be. Now I think. Wait a minute. First of all, I'm gonna put this 30. Body. I absolutely don't know how to make this. I never used Figma, bro. For me, that's really an impossible font. Okay, so we have welcome. We have the welcome. Then the next thing is that we get YouTube. So YouTube, which this one is gonna be. Yeah, that's gonna be just somewhere like that. And this one, we're just gonna put it here. Which this one is just gonna be Discord. We're gonna name it Discord. Can I center? Yeah, I can. I can just center this. Can center this perfectly. Main page. So we get this. Then. Wait. No. Then we just have like the main title, which would be Learn Code. That case, which is the main website. So for now, we just don't really care about the style. Just gonna make basic thing. Just the center. Gonna put it here. 70, 90, 100. I don't care. Just kidding. Gonna put it at 80. Seems good enough. I can just grab it. Oh yeah, also. Like this. Like just put another thing. Like another rectangle. Which this rectangle. Just gonna put this something. I agree. What is something primary? Yeah, I mean, for now we really don't care. Yeah, we don't really care for now. We just want to make something that works. As simple as that. And I'm also gonna switch the title, which is designing badly. Nice. That's a good name. Okay, we got the welcome. Nice, finally got it. That was fucking worse. That was worse as hell. What's the next thing? Can say just icon default. Secondary. Yeah, that one seems okay. I don't really care about the colors, honestly. It's not the thing that imports me the most. Then that's just gonna be subtitled, so let's learn code properly. This one is gonna be at like 20. Let's learn how to code properly. How to code properly. Then we center. Luckily, Figma is well made. You're making website? I am. Yeah, I am making website. I finished the basic HTML, so I decided it was time for me to just kill myself by doing design. Even if I'm just the worst designer possible. I'm only good at coding, not good at designing. And it's okay. Just depressing as hell. Yo. The thing would be now like, wait. What is this website? Wait, hear me out. Get something. What is this website? This rectangle. Just gonna have some basic thing. What is it? This website. So basic question. Like legit, that's really something which imports to everyone. Directly not. What is this software? It is called Figma, which is the one most designers use to design the website applications. That's the one they almost all use. So yeah, I decided to use it because when we are doing design, it's mostly what I want. I'm doing design at EX. I'm trying to kill myself, I think, by being a developer, trying to do design. But well, I mean, my website is beautiful, honestly. What do I need more? Actual design, sadly. Right. Oh, I don't know much web dev, but some designing done. This is like for website. Yeah, but it's to get like the templates, you know, because just by modifying CSS like that, it's gonna be worse to just find something. Just find something, get the design, get everything. So that's why when you are in a company or things like that, or just even a school project, most of the time you're doing Figma, you're doing Paint, you're doing things like that to design the website, find image, and see what it will look like. Of course, you won't have the CSS, you won't have everything, but you know what it will look like at the end. That's why I'm doing Figma. And I will continue after the stream anyway. So yeah, that was the thing I wanted to do. It was to put these two, and so the thing is that yeah, so that's the thing I wanted to put. It was like just oh we have what's design run out first by cutting you don't get double minded. What's anyway? Just have proper design, you just gotta cut it right. Design right. Yeah. Basically that's the thing, but it's easier to have a template. I'm just going and say, okay, so now I'm gonna make a rectangle. Design and color. So yeah. Mostly what we want. Anyway, the thing I wanted to say was exactly that. Not a stroke effect, but add some sort of just what is the word in English? Outline. Just add an outline to this, and like here we'll put this description. We put this description explaining this with maybe an image or something like that. Then we can make like, and just copy paste this. We can copy paste it like the same way, like why using s like just this. We make this but instead of just making one rectangle, what we can put is just say we're using Gus. No, it's not really like that. It's sorry, I'm really just thinking by myself. What's our advantage? And after this, so we get the basic one. Nice one, good luck. Thank you. Thank you. Did the music just start? Oh no, it didn't. Okay. Oh gosh. Let me take back something. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Just need to do one last thing. But I have to close. But okay, in the end, I will have something pretty urgent to do. So I can't stream anymore for today. I'm sorry, but don't worry, I'll stream back tomorrow. See you again.